Hi everyone. In the previous session I explained the entire process and now we are going to create them. So basically in the root compartment we'll have three compartments, one for the business cloud manager, one for the environments and one for the network. So the first step is we need to create we need to create three compartments, three groups and three usernames, and also we need to create the policies. So why not we do it from the scratch. So I am already logged in, and the first step is I need to create compartments. So it will be an identity and security. Go to compartment, create a compartment. So this is the compartment, network compartment. Give a space, then create another compartment called e-business test compartment. And create the one more compartment for the cloud manager. Done. So this is the way how you create the first three compartments. I have provided all the screenshots for you, so just you can copy and paste it. So next we need to create three groups. So for that we can directly go to the admin console. There are different ways how you can go. You can go to this service console and go through that steps I provided, but also you can also provide directly. If you want to go to the admin console, IDCS admin console, you just have to click the link what I provided for you. So there you go. So now you can click the groups, and we need to create three groups. Create the group called the network group, and next one is the e-business test group. If you want to add users we can add, but right now we'll just have to follow the whatever is mentioned in the documentation. So later on we are going to add the users to this particular group. Three groups are been created. So those screenshots I provided here. All the descriptions are given here. Okay, next is we need to create the policies. So policies, we have to go to each of these compartments, each of the compartment, and we need to create the policies. So in order to do this, what you need to do, you need to go to identity and go to policies. You go to these policies and you have to create the policies. So first you select your network compartment. So select your network compartment. This is your network compartment. So yeah, network compartment, and what you do, you just create a policy. Give a name, and give some description. And now you have to add the policy. So for that you click this manual builder, and just you have to paste them here. Now all this particular thing you just have to paste them, but before that we just have to change couple of things, because yeah, so this looks good. I just removed this 3 and you copy and paste it, because already I have created a network hyphen group. Already that particular group is available, so that's why I cannot create another group with the same name. So now you create, created. So then you have to go to the then you just follow this, created. Then you need to go to the root, and you have to create a policy. So we'll take this. What you do is you follow this documentation, because I already created the entire thing by this particular by following by this document, but I cannot create with the same name. That's the reason why what am I doing is I'm just removing the hyphen here, just to simulate, just to show you how to create all of them, but in everything is very clear in my documentation. You straight away follow that. See now, so here we have a couple of policies. I cannot use them. So what I need to do, I need to copy this, and you have to just remove this, because we had to create the groups like this, right? Done. Then we need to create you need always have to select the compartment and start creating them. So next one is the EBS compartment policy. So go to policies, select the e-business the e-business CM compartment what you created, and create the policy what you want. Give some description and copy and paste it. You just delete, because we created the groups like this, so you need to create the policy builder accordingly. Create it. And there is one more. All the screenshots are been all the screenshots are been available here for you. Okay, so here, yes, just have to right. Done. So now next one, we have the last policy which we need to create, that is the e-business in the e-business test compartment. E-business test compartment, select your e-business test compartment and create a policy. Right, give some description and go to this builder and create all of this. Anything is left? No. So create it, and right, you just have to remove this. You follow my documentation, as I'm repeatedly telling. I have completed by following the document, but I cannot create a duplicate compartment with the same name. So that's the reason I'm just to show you, I'm just creating all of them. Right, so that is the end of this. So next one is we need to create like 3 users and assign to that particular groups, right? So I have selected, these are the 3 users. Okay, so in order to go here, what you do, you click this identity, there will be users one. Okay, so if you are not able to figure it out, I'll tell you one best way. You follow this, you will go to that particular user. They have literally changed the entire thing. So click the service user console. This is the best way to go. Okay, click this admin console. Right, so here you can find the users. So now you create the users and also assign to a particular group, right? So create a user. The first user is network. So you create a network admin user, and for this what you need to do, you need to assign the network admin group what you have created earlier. So this is our network admin group. I create it. So next one is create a second user called e-business test admin. Right, and add him to the e-business test DBA group. Right, done. Finally, the last user we have John Smith. We need to add to my administrators, because he is the main person who is going to install everything. So John Smith, this should be a valid email ID. This should be a valid email ID. I'm just telling you. So here you add him to administrator, you add to him to the to the CM group and also the network group, network admin group. Okay, all of these three you need to add him. So those steps I have mentioned, how to create a user with all the screenshots I provided you. Yeah, click the primary and go here and start creating the users. I showed you how to create the users, how to assign them to the groups. Everything has to be done meticulously. Spend some time. This document went almost 20 or 30 rounds to make it to perfection, right? So the next step is how to create the network users and VCN. So that we will see in the next recording session. Thanks for watching. So in this particular session, what we have done is we have created the compartments, we have created the network group, we have created the users, we have created the policies. But only one thing I want to tell you is you need to follow this particular documentation with whatever the users I created. If at all any changes is there, you can change it, but the entire documentation you have to follow this particular documentation to make it perfect. Temporarily I'm just creating without the hyphen and all. So are you clear, like how to create compartments, how to create groups, how to create users, how to assign users to a particular group? In the next session it is more interesting for you. You are going to create VCN from the scratch, the subnets, the gateways required, the security list, the ingress rule, the egress rule, right? So we'll watch in the next session. So thanks for watching.